Canva is a useful tool for creating pictures and photos for recreation or advertising. It is a free designing platform that does not need prior skills in order to use. It also provides templates that eases you with creating what you need. First, you have to think of an idea of what you would like to make. Then you would need to choose a size of which you would want your poster or picture to be. There are many different selections to choose from. Canva gives you suggestions, such as Facebook posts or Instagram posts. These automatically give you a canvas with a size that fits your needs specifically. Click on the one you want. To make a cohesive picture, a color palette would be the most ideal option. Canva has a built-in color palette that would help you with color selection. There are tons of selections to choose from, and by clicking into a color palette, it would show the color hexadecimals, and each color has a different code that we could use to identify those colors with. On the top left, there are templates that you could use. If you scroll down, there are pro and free versions. The pro version would have a watermark on it if you do not have the premium version of Canva. Find a template you would like to use, and then click on it. If not, create it from scratch. In this example, we would be creating a Easter poster for Chatterton Together. Here, you could see the elements underneath the templates. The elements are shapes, pictures, and graphics you could use to decorate your canvas with. You could click on it for it to appear in the center of the screen, or you could drag it across to wherever you want the decoration to be in. At the top bar of the screen, you could change the colors of the graphics if you think that the other colors might suit it better. It would show that there are however many colors that the graphic picture has. Click on the color you would want to change. There should be a color menu that pops up on the left side. There are default colors you could pick from, and also colors that are from Canva already. This is where you could reference your color palette from before, or use the colors from here. On the search bar, you could use the hexadecimals that you have decided on before, or you could search up a more general term and find a hue that suits your needs. Searching a general term could give you colors that could be complementary to your color that you searched, or there are also color palettes that you could choose from. However, not all pictures could have its colors changed. Most graphics on Canva could have their colors changed, but photos do not apply. Pressing Edit Image would give you a slight twist to the image. If you scroll down, there are many different options, from pixelating the image to liquefying the image. Clicking on it would give the image a more funkier look. This works on all pictures, photos, and graphics. To the right of editing the image, there is an option to flip the image vertically or horizontally. Next to the flip button, there is an animation button. This gives you an option to animate your photos on Canva and give it a more refreshing look in the end. On the top right, there is the positions button where you can lay your images. If you want the image to be on the very top, click forwards. On the very back, click backwards. You also have an option to align the image to a specific place on the canvas. This bar is the transparency bar, and dragging the bar to the left would make the graphic or picture less opaque. This button lets you insert a website onto the picture. Then there's this lock button, and locking the picture would mean that the picture doesn't move around anymore, so you won't accidentally move it or delete it when moving something else. This is the duplicate button, and this copies the image and pastes the same image on the top of the image you already have, so you have two. This button deletes the image from your canvas. On the left, there are uploads. Upload the image that you want onto Canva if Canva does not have them in their searches. The button below that lets you insert texts onto Canva. You click on it and it will appear on the page. There are many different options for text editing, and on the top bar, there are font and sizes that could be changed. There are also effects and animations you can add onto the texts that could give a more visual appeal to your audience. This button allows you to duplicate your own page, or you could add a new blank page with this button or the one below. Finally, when you're done with the design, on the very top right corner here, you can click share and download the picture to save it. The size could be altered if you have Canva Pro. If you're posting it on social media, a PNG is preferred to a JPEG. A PDF print is also preferred to a PDF standard if making a poster that is needed to print. I hope that this workshop teaches you a little bit more about Canva and you would be a bit more comfortable making designs by yourself on Canva.